Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateurs, and today we're doing another unboxing for Skin Star. I haven't even taken it out of its original box because I just got it like 4 or 5 days ago and it was at my parents' house and I'm in a new house. So I'm just now opening it. So sorry for the different background. I know you guys are used to my old background, but I am in a new house and I will be finding a different background hopefully. So just take this one for now, please. And let's get started. The box doesn't really change. This continues to say, "Be beautiful with Skin Star." You can't really see it. It's like a shine type of material. And it comes with a little ribbon on the side. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So right away we get the After Vacation Skin Care. Care for troubled skin signs under the hot summer sun. So we get the paper that tells us the different items. It doesn't tell us how to use the items, however. Wait, no. They have how to use now. They've added how to use. Yay! One less thing to not worry about when it comes to this box, because I had to look it up how to use each item. So let's get into opening this box and seeing what's inside. So when we open it, we immediately get, I'm just going to put this right here, little hat. A box right here that you can open and stuff is inside, and then there's this bag full of stuff. So we're gonna go to the little box opening on the side first and then go into the bag. BRTC V10 Peeling Pad Multivital 10 System V10. That's a mouthful. So it's a peeling pad. Can't smell it through the plastic. Amanda, learn your stuff. It says, a vitamin peeling pad makes rough and dull skin into smooth and clean by wiping it. How to use: remove the sebum and dead skin with embossing surface to calm and moisturizes the skin. I'm guessing it's like an exfoliator. I don't know. Let's open it up and look at the texture of the pad. It smells like Fruit Loops. Now I want Fruit Loops. It has a normal V10 texture to it. If you hear noises in the background, that is actually my roommate's daughter up above. We have very thin ceilings, so please forgive me about that. I cannot do anything about it. She's 2. So, yeah, sorry about that. And so it's not any different from my first box with the V10 that I got then. The texture of it doesn't look like it's that different. So I don't know if it's going to be really doing much of exfoliating of, taking bumpy skin into smooth skin. But I guess we'll see with me testing it one day. I say one day because I got like 2 of these boxes beforehand and their parts are huge. So it's going to take some time going through them. Essentia Herb Tea Tree Foam Cleanser, Pure Tea Tree. The tea tree foam cleanser cleanses skin deeply while providing moisture. A foam cleanser contains tea tree extract. It is effective not only for removing heavy makeup but for exfoliating. Ooh, and I do have to take my makeup off after this. How to use: rub it over your wet face, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. So that seems simple to use, like normal exfoliators. I'll definitely be using it afterwards because I'm going to be washing my makeup off right away after this. So we'll see about that. See if it's a good exfoliator, wiping off all the makeup off. If not, I got other products I can wipe my makeup off too that are really good. Okay, let's put that back. Now we're going to go into the bag. While I'm at it, I'm going to move this box down to the ground so my cats can play with it. That's a heavy box. Must take a fortune just to ship it out. I'm just going to take everything out of the bag so the bag doesn't slip and slide off my desk like it has been. Let's get started with the bag stuff. Pure Heals by Nature Village. Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. I love the small roses. You could always win me over with the scent of roses. It's a whole childhood memory kind of situation. So, inside is a little spoon to scoop the stuff out, but I'm just going to use my fingers because that's how this girl does it. Oh, and look at that. I'm going to pull you closer. Has like little particles inside. I'm guessing it's rose particles. I don't know. But that's pretty interesting. Let's open it up and see if it smells like roses. Oh yeah, it does. It smells like roses. Definitely smells like roses. So, let's see what it says on the list. A sleeping mask filled with a burst of pure rose material and rose water makes your skin blossom with pink radiance while you sleep. How to use. In the last step of evening face care, apply it all over entire face. So, will I be using this? Most definitely, because I love the scent of roses so much. I was going to say something else, but I don't know what I was going to say. Pure Heals by Nature Village Centella 90 Ampule. A hypoallergenic ampule contains 90% of Centella extract for skin that has become sensitive. How to use. After toner step, apply it on the face and pat gently for absorption. Absorption? Absorbs? I can't say that word apparently. Like I said, I got a lot of products I have to test before this, so who knows when I'll be able to get to it. Essentia Herb Bulgarian Rose Cream containing Rosa Damascena flower water provides moisture to dry skin. It's supposed to smell like roses again, so we have a lot of products that smell like roses. Let's open it up and see. I don't know if that smells like roses. I'm not quite 100% sure on that matter. Let's read its little directions. A rose cream provides instant moisture and nourishment to dehydrated and lackluster skin. How to use. After toner step, apply on face and pat gently for absorption. So it doesn't smell like roses to me, but it smells like a lotion type of smell. Like a normal, like your generic lotion smell. Pure Heals by Nature Village Centella 65 Green Tea Pack. A calming face wash mask for skin irritated by fine dust. That's different. How to use. After cleansing, apply an appropriate amount of this product to the entire face, excluding the eyes and mouth, and then gently rub it after 10 to 15 minutes to wash it off with lukewarm. And gently rub it after 10 to 15 minutes to wash it off with lukewarm water. I thought there was going to be a comma there that says, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. So, but no, that's how it states it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. That smells like paint. It has a very thick consistency with little black beads inside. Oh man, I just got it all over the paper. Let me bring you closer. Little black beads inside. Very thick consistency. But it kind of does have a paint type of smell to it. I'm glad they put the how to use products in it. Now I can actually like know how to use them instead of having to look them up every time I want to use them, because my memory is very, very, very terrible. pH 5.5 Vita Peeling Gel. A peeling gel protects skin barrier, hydrates the skin from the inside out. How to use. Roll it to remove dead skin with some water and wash with warm water. It doesn't have any like a roller material to it. I wonder why it says roll it. Now I'm confused. Roll it to remove dead skin with some water and wash with warm water. That's a curious one. Now for the last product. Pure Heals by Nature Village Centella 80 Eye Cream. From the last box, I think we got something very, very, very similar to this. It looks familiar to me. So maybe they sent me a double. Or maybe that's just a promotion right now, is this eye cream. An eye cream that contains 80% of Centella extract, which helps to firm sagging skin around the eyes. How to use. After using toner, apply a moderate amount of cream onto the skin around the eyes, then gently pat for better absorption. I'm saying absorption very wrong, guys, because I don't know how to say the word. Absorption. I can't say that word properly. Alright, but I think I got it down. So this was the last product. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And continue watching if you'd like to see more unboxing videos or makeup videos or mental health videos. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Like, comment, and subscribe.